What's up everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to this week's video. So this week's video is going to be pretty special because this has been on my bucket list for quite some time now, probably about 2 years, but probably the last 6 months I've gotten serious about trying to accomplish doing this. We're gonna go camping. My idea is I'm gonna climb up Castle Rock here at Rock Park, downtown Castle Rock, Colorado. Oh, can't see the trail. We're gonna climb up there, set up a little bed to do some cowboy camping, see how the night goes. I've got some libations with me, and I've got some food with me. So we're gonna climb up there, eat some food, and get ready for a nice little cozy night's sleep. We're about halfway up now. Definitely sweating bullets. Had a little rainstorm come through, thunderstorm. Pretty much just sprinkles. Humidity's way on up there, it feels like. Anyways, I'm sweating bullets. Ready to get on up there would be nice, but the view is beautiful. Alrighty, we made it to the climbing point on the east side of Castle Rock, and we're gonna scurry on up. I'm gonna kill the video here. I'll see you guys at the top just for safety reasons. Well, this is pretty cool. We made it up Castle Rock. Ooh, terrible video just then, but we made it up. Here we go, guys. Check it out. Home sweet home for the night. It's a little strange and a little unexpected, but I did know about it, but I forgot about it. I got up here, freaking camera on the star, sitting there blinking green and red. So that's pretty stupid, but we're still gonna follow through with this. Beautiful views up here. It feels awesome right now. I'm sure it's gonna be a little chilly here in just a little bit, but I'm gonna try to keep it a little dark and catch the view, and I'm gonna start munching out. Alrighty guys, I guess it's time to crack open a step 2 local brewery, 105 West Brewery, just downtown. Head in the clouds, perfect one for being on top of rock. I cracked open my Chipotle too. Started eating my burrito, and I looked behind me. There's a dude standing behind me. Turned around and chatted with him for a minute. Pretty cool. We should be pretty good up here, but still want to take some precautions and keep the light pretty low. So I'm gonna keep eating my food and drinking my step 2, and we'll see how the night goes. Alrighty guys, I know the lighting's not the best, but it's way more than I want to use. It's starting to get windy. I don't think anyone else is going to be up here. I don't think anyone else will be up here, so I'm going to set up the inflatable mattress. That's pretty much it.
This is pretty much bed for the night. Great view of Castle Rock all around. And I'm pretty sure nobody's up here. I've been alone up here for a while now, which is nice. So I set up the bed. Pretty decent spot. So we'll get some sleep, see how the night goes. I'll wake up super early, hopefully before anyone's up here. Then I'll pack up my stuff, maybe watch the sunrise if I didn't sleep through that, and we'll see how it goes. But anyways, the home wrap is a little loud, but that's to protect the inflatable mattress that I'm sleeping on, because obviously I'm pretty much on solid concrete. It's freaking rock. So anyways, we'll catch y'all in the morning with a recap of everything I've done.
Good morning, everybody. I fell back asleep and I woke up and there's like 3 people standing right there. I turned around and saw them and I'm like, oh, hey, what's up? And caught them off guard too, because they thought they were up here alone. That was awesome. It's starting to get pretty windy up here. I knew it was. I checked the weather and all that, but beautiful views. I gotta pack up camp. There's a lot of people up here now. It's freaking not even 6 o'clock in the morning. What are all these people doing awake? I honestly thought I'd be packed up by now. Here I am sleeping. Alrighty, that didn't take too long. We're all packed up, ready to get down. I guess we're technically legal, even though we look a little funny with the backpack. Pretty cool stuff. Holy crap, that was a load of fun. So I think it was about 3:30 this morning, I got woken up by a family of it was like 5 owls. There was one about 20 feet from my head, and then there was another one probably about, I don't know, 100 feet away, and then another one just beyond him. Well, anyways, it was like an hour of them all talking to each other. They would fly around. You wouldn't hear them fly, of course, because owls are amazing, but you would hear their location change all of a sudden. Instead of the one being like a few feet from my head, he would all of a sudden be like, you know, 50 feet from my head, but then he would be back to the same spot where he started. So that was kind of interesting. Honestly, just a super comfortable night all around. Once the people left, it was probably about midnight when I was finally alone and I set up camp. So not too bad. And then set up camp, got ready for bed. Then I had the owls show up, woke me up. And then after that, next thing I knew, the sun was coming up. And I set up a little time lapse going on for the sunrise. And then, next thing I knew, there were a bunch of people hanging around up there. When I left just now, there were about half a dozen people. So not terrible, but what the heck are people doing up at 5 o'clock in the morning? Yeah. So we made it down to Rock Park now. That was a fun night at stealth camping, that's for sure. It's pretty cool up there. Perfect weather, a little breezy, but that was all right. And a little chilly this morning, but that was perfect. And yeah, what an adventure. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna make my way home. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit that like button if you did like that video. Subscribe if you want to see some more of my adventures. Y'all have a safe work week, and we'll catch you next time.